Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of the Clear Fear mental health app. Links and more details are in the description below. Clear Fear is a free app designed to help you manage and reduce anxiety. Created by clinicians and based on proven therapies, it's perfect for teens, young adults, or anyone needing accessible tools to handle fear and anxiety. Built on CBT principles, Clear Fear provides practical tools in a structured, user-friendly way. It helps you understand your anxiety triggers and develop healthier coping mechanisms through personalized plans. You'll start with a short questionnaire to assess your current mood and stress. Clear Fear's toolbox includes calming breathing exercises, relaxation techniques, and grounding strategies accessible anytime, even during heightened anxiety. For long-term management, there are thought-challenging exercises to reframe unhelpful thinking patterns, journaling prompts, and space to record your progress, promoting mindfulness and self-awareness. The Thought Diary lets you log anxious moments, analyze triggers, and track improvements. The Quick Help section offers immediate tips and reassurance during panic or acute anxiety. Clear Fear is designed for accessibility with simple language, vibrant visuals, and an intuitive interface. While a great self-help tool, it works best alongside professional therapy for more severe or ongoing anxiety. Want to gain control over anxiety or have a reliable mental health companion? Clear Fear offers a comprehensive and supportive experience. Check the links below to explore the app and take the first step towards reducing fear and anxiety today.